Hello children, welcome back to the last session. So this session we are going to do the exercise 3.10 where you'll have the miscellaneous practice problems. So let us begin. First sum of three numbers is 58. The second number is 3 times of 2/5 of the first number, and the third number is 6 less than the first number. Find the three numbers. So there are three numbers and the sum of the three numbers is 58. So let us go to the solution. Given sum of three numbers is 58. So I'm going to take the three numbers, that is A, B, C. When I add it, it is 58. Sum of the three numbers is 58. Mark that as first equation. Now let me take the first number as x. Then the value of A will be equal to x. Can you understand? So the first number is x, means in the first equation where A is there, that will be the first number. Yes, sum of three numbers. So there A becomes x. Now the second statement says that the second number is 3 times of 2/5 of the first number. So second number is 3 times of 2/5 of the first number. So therefore let me take B here. Okay, B is equal to 3 times, so 3 into 2/5 of the first number. So 2/5, what is the first number we are taking? X. Can you understand? B is equal to 3 times 3 into 2/5 x. So 3 into 2 becomes 6. 6/5 x. This is B. Okay, so this is the value of B we are going to substitute. Next, third number is 6 less than x. So C, we are taking the third number. C is equal to x minus 6. 6 less than x. So x minus 6. So in the first equation I'm going to substitute the value of A, B and C. A I have put as x, B is 6/5x and C is x minus 6. That is equal to 58. Now this is the first equation, how it became. Now throughout the equation I'm going to multiply by 5. So when I multiply, it becomes 5x plus my denominator 5 gets cancelled. Okay, so remaining you have only 6x plus 5 into x minus 6, that is equal to 58 into 5. Now 5x plus 6x becomes 11x plus 5 multiplied inside the bracket becomes 5x minus 30, that is equal to 58 into 5 is 290. Now 11x plus 5x becomes 16x, that is equal to 290. Transposing minus 30 becomes plus 30. So you have 16x is equal to 290 plus 30. That is what the first page. So I've just written again. 16x is equal to, adding 290 plus 30, so it is 320. Therefore x is equal to 320 by 16, that is equal to 20. Now I've got the first number. X is the first number, right? So first number is 20. Now what is the second number we are taken? 3 times 2/5 x. So 3 into 2/5 into 20 is the first number. So cancelling 5 and 20, 5 1 times, 20 4 times. So multiplying 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Next, third number is 6 less than x, the first number. So 20 minus 6, that is equal to 14. So I have found what is the first number, second number and the third number. Now moving to the second sum. In a triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 2/3 of the measure of angle A. The measure of angle C is 20 degrees more than the measure of angle A. Find the measures of the three angles. So here we are going to talk about a triangle ABC. So the first clue is angle B is 2/3 of the measure of angle A and angle C is 20 degrees more than the measure of angle A. We have to find what are the three measures of the angles. So let me take angle A to be small letter A. So the first clue, angle B is 2/3 of the measure of A. So that is 2 by 3 into angle A. Now angle A, what I have taken? Small letter A. So 2 by 3 A. And what is C? 20 degrees more than angle A. So that is angle C is equal to angle A plus 20 degrees. That is equal to A plus 20 degrees. Also, in our lower classes, we have learned that sum of the three angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. You remember that? Yes? So, we are going to apply that rule here. So, since it is a triangle and we have to find the angles, I am going to add all the angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So, when I add these three, I should get 180 degrees. Now, let me substitute the values for angle A, B and C. Angle A is A plus B is what? 2 by 3A plus C is A plus 20 degrees. So now I am going to simplify it. Taking LCM, 3A plus 2A plus 3A by 3 plus 20 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 3A plus 2A, that becomes 5A plus 3A is 8A by 3. Transposing 20 to the other side becomes 180 minus 20, that is equal to 160. Therefore, A is equal to 160 into 3 by 8. 8 and 160 20 times. So, 20 into 3 is 60. So, I found what is angle A. Now, we have to find angle B and angle C. Angle B is nothing but 2 by 3 into angle A. So, 2 by 3 into angle A is 60. Cancelling 3 and 60. 3 1 time, 60 20 times. So, 2 into 20 becomes 40 degrees. And angle C is angle A plus 20 degrees. Angle A is 60 degrees plus 20, that becomes 80 degrees. Thus, we have found out angle A, angle B and angle C, the three angles of the triangle ABC. Next, two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are 5y minus 2 and 4y plus 9 units. The third side is 2y plus 5 units. Find y and the perimeter of the triangle. So this is also a triangle, but it is an isosceles triangle. What do you know about an isosceles triangle? Two sides will be equal. Okay, so that is what is an isosceles triangle. And it is third side is given. We have to find what is the value of y and the perimeter of the triangle. Given 5y minus 2 and 4y plus 9 are the equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle and these two sides are the equal sides, we are going to equate both the equations, okay, both the sides. So 5y minus 2 is equal to 4y plus 9. Now transpose, take the y variable to the left hand side and the constant to the right side. So 5y minus 4y is equal to 9 plus 2. 5y minus 4y is equal to y, and 9 plus 2 becomes 11. So I have found what is the value of y. Now let me find what is the side. What is the first side, second side and third side. Okay. So first side, first equation, that is 5y minus 2. So in that 5y minus 2 I am going to substitute the value of y. So 5 into 11 minus 2, that is equal to 55 minus 2. 55 minus 2 is 53 units. That is the first side. Second side, 4y plus 9. So 4 into 11 plus 9, 44 plus 9, that is equal to 53 units. So the first and second side are equal because it is an isosceles triangle. Now the third side, 2y plus 5 units. So 2 into 11 plus 5, that is equal to 22 plus 5, that is equal to 27 units. Okay, so I found what is the value of y, the first side, second side and third side. Three sides of the triangle I found out. Now to find the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter means adding sum of the all sides. So adding 53 plus 53 plus 27, when I add, the perimeter is 133 units. Next, in the given figure, angle XOZ and ZOY form a linear pair. Find the value of x. So you have been given a diagram. XOZ and ZOY form a linear pair. You have to find what is the value of x. Now since it is given a linear pair, when I add angle XOZ and ZOY, it will be equal to 180 degrees because it is a straight line. Okay, so what is the value of XOZ? 3x minus 2. And what is the value of ZOY from the diagram? 5x plus 6. That is equal to 180 degrees. Now 3x plus 5x, that is 8x, and 6 minus 2 is 4, that is equal to 180 degrees. Now 8x, you keep it to the left hand side, transpose 4 to the other side, becomes 180 minus 4, therefore that is equal to 176 degrees, and x is equal to 176 divided by 8, that is equal to 22 degrees. So value of x is 22 degrees. You can just stop till this, but it is better to find what is the angle of XOZ and ZOY. So I have done angle XOZ is equal to 3x minus 2. So in the place of x you are going to substitute 22. So 3 into 22 minus 2. 3 into 22 is 66 minus 2. That is equal to 64 degrees. Angle YOZ is 5x plus 6. That is equal to 5 into 22 plus 6. 110 plus 6 is equal to 116. So we have completed the fourth sum. Final problem for the exercise. Draw the graph of the following data. Given side of a square in centimeter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and its area in centimeter square 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Does the graph represent a linear relation? So first I have to draw the graph, then I have to find out whether the graph represents a linear relation or not. So first let us plot the graph. So since here my x values are starting with 2, 3 and it's ending with 6, so my scale for the x-axis is 1 centimeter and 1 unit alone. But for area, it's starting with 4 and it's going till 36. So I'm going to start the scale for y-axis as 5 units. So it will be increasing as 5 units for 1 centimeter. So it goes on like 5, 10, 15, 20 till 45 I have written. So let me take the graph. So the first point is 2, 4. So x is 2 and y is 4. So here 2, 4 I have plotted the first point. Next 3, 9. 3 in the x and y 9. So 3, 9 again I have plotted. Next 4, 16. 4 in x and 16 in y I plotted. Next 5 and 25. 5 and 25 I plotted, and 6 and 36. Okay, so each 2 lines you will take it as 1 unit. Okay, so that is how you will do it. So when you take 2 units of 1 unit, 2 lines as 1 unit. So for example, from 0, the first line after 0, that line and the above line together as 1. Then next after that 2 lines together, that is 2. After that 2 lines together, it is 3. After that 2 lines together, it is 4. Then 2 lines together, it is 5. So here you are going to plot it as 2 points together. Okay, so that's why I am just zooming and showing you off. Okay, so now after plotting I am going to join the points. So use a scale and pencil to join it. When I join the points, I find that they do not form a linear, that is a straight line. It's like a curved line. So I conclude that this graph does not represent a linear relation. Understood, children? So draw the graph neatly, and in your x-axis you will be having side of a square in centimeter. In your y-axis it is area in centimeter. So with this we have completed the chapter. So any doubts, you can just clarify your doubts with the teacher. Please do it, understand the concept and work out, prepare for your exams properly. Okay children, thank you, bye.